Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the available space on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to show you the two different ways using which you can do that. So first of all, what you can do is you can click on this Apple logo on the top and then click on about this Mac here. And then once this window opens, click on more info and it's going to open this about section in the system settings. When you scroll down here at the very bottom, you will see this section which says storage, and here you will be able to see the available space. So I have total around 1 GB of space, and out of that 1 GB space, 809 GB is available. If you want to dig deeper, you can click on storage settings, and then you will be able to see some more information about what apps are using the space or what applications are using this space. So as you can see, 184 GB is used and 809 GB is free. Now, if I want to see which applications are using this, you can see the applications utility is using 7.28 GB. Bin have around 368 megabyte. Then I have a documents folder where I save most of my videos, so it's taking a lot of space there. Uh, and all the other apps you can also see here which are taking some space. So this is the first way of finding out the space. The second way is you can click on the launch pad here and then search for disk utility at the top. So just search for disk utility app and then click on it, and it's going to open this kind of disk utility app. And here also you will be able to see the available space, which is 998 GB, and then you can see the free space, which is 806 GB, and then you can see the used space and other volumes which are using the other space, right? So here also you will be able to see the available space on your Mac operating system. So this is the way using which you can view the available space on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.